I'm on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fought you over cause you let him. Girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tashina Beauty. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button because I don't know if you know, girl, but I bring in affordable hair, makeup, clothing, pretty much everything on a budget. And if you're oldie but a goodie, thank you for rocking with me. Let's get into this video. Now, you know I'm back again with another short hair unit. Y'all know how I feel about these short hair unit. I'ma keep them coming because your girl is feeling the short hair units. Now, this wig is by Amor Mio Hair Collection. I think that's how you say it. And I have her in the style Aw-Carrie. And I have her in the color number 2. Stock card looks like this. This is my first time trying a wig from this brand. But yeah, that's about it. So on the back of the card, it does give like different color options and instructions of this unit. It does say that it's heat safe up to 356 to 392. I don't do that, but if you want to, you can. Specs on this unit. Don't be mad, but I don't remember if it had come in the front, but I do know there's a come in the back with adjustable straps. So yeah, big head friendly. I do think it's big head friendly because I kind of just left the strap as to where they were and plopped it on my head, and it feels pretty secure. I don't have, and if there were comes in the studio, I wasn't going to use them anyways. So it doesn't feel like it's slipping or anything. It seems pretty secure. Now on the stock card, this girl, maybe she has more forehead space than me, I don't know, but her things start right here. My bangs start right here. Yeah, so that's the thing. I mean, it looks really cute how they styled it there. That looks nice. It kind of reminds me of Pixie, but not really. I don't know. Kind of giving me like a Pixie vibes in a sense. Shedding. I did receive shedding from this unit. Don't ask me why. It's a short hair unit. I don't know why it's shedding, but it's shedding. It shed. It wasn't like crazy shedding, but it did shed enough for me to realize it shed. I don't really have much bad to say because I mean it's a short hair unit. Unless it has a whole lot of hair packed in there, it's fine. It doesn't feel too thin, but I can feel my tracks, and that's whatever short hair unit you're gonna feel some. It's easier to feel tracks on this unit. Will it last you? Probably will last you longer than some of your longer units. Because again, it's short hair, it will not get tangled that easily. Yeah, I'll show you what the hair looks like from different angles. I will say that in order for this hair to look natural, your hair has to be flat underneath. I don't have my hair flat. I have my hair cornered back into 2 braids, and the braids I kind of crisscross them and flip them upside down in the back and then put my wig cap on. So the back of my unit will look bulky. So if you do notice that, it's because my hair is not flat underneath and the back won't be bulky. So obviously this is what all the hair to the front, this is what all the hair frontal view looks like. Let me show you what the hair looks like from the left side. This is what the hair looks like from the left side. This is what the hair looks like from the right side. And this is what the hair in the back look like. If it's not flat or tucked properly, I do apologize. As I said before, I do have my hair down in 2 big braids, and I can't get any flatter than that. And I wasn't gonna re-corner with my hair. We gonna do what he do, okay? Things that I wish were different about this hair. Now, I wish it actually looked like that, because I was going for that style, but I felt like it would have been more controlled. It's not. You can pretty much play with right here, so it's not controlled as how I think my Pixie was. Like, you can use your hands create a style, make it fluffy and stuff like that. I thought it was more controlled based off how this looked, but I guess not. It has quite a good movement to it. I think I just messed the whole crapping thing up. Yeah, it has a lot of movement to it. I don't know how long she will hold up. Would I grab this hair over the Pixie? In a sense, yes, because I will get more, I will be able to play with it more. However, I do know that I have to make sure the back of my hair is pretty flat. So yeah and no. It depends on what I'm doing. Like, I would grab my Pixie if I want that specific style. I know it's not going to move, it's not going to budge. I'll grab this if I feel like I want something to be a little bit more flirty, fun, that I can play with and turn into a whole look, I would say. But yeah, I don't use heat, but if you want to try, I guess you could if you wanted to, and bump this unit a little bit or flatten out some strands if you want to. For a collection, this is the first time I'm trying from them. I'm actually quite impressed and I do like it. I do think I'll probably try their everyday collection. I mean, I get it. I do think you can wear this every day to work. I mean, it's short, so any job that you have, if you are in the healthcare field or something of that sort, I mean, it's a quick throw on and go and nothing will be in your face and you won't be too hot. If you have an office job, it's a cute little bob. Not bob, a cute little Pixie, I should say. It's very, very nice. It's very, very cute. I like it. I don't have anything bad to say about it. That's about it. The shedding, sis, I don't know why you were shedding, but you shed, sis. I get you synthetic, but you short, so I don't know what more you want to lose. Okay. Again, my name is Tashina Beauty. If you made it to the end of this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Please share this video with your friends and family. Tell them to come and join the family. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's Tashina_Beauty. But if you cannot remember that, it will be down in the description box below. You can also hop on over to Facebook and follow me there. It's also Tashina Beauty 22. If you cannot remember that, it will be in the description box down below. Where you can purchase this unit, I will leave a link for that down in the description box, so don't forget to check the description box. While you're here and stopping by, might as well you watch some of my other previous videos. I have quite a few videos out that you can actually go take a look on. Go follow me on my social medias. You can see when I post and upload. I don't have a specific time frame, but I'd like for you guys to stick around. Yeah, and I think that's about it. Leave me a comment in the comment section below if you like this unit, what you think about this unit. Will you purchase this unit? I think that's pretty much about it. Until next time, this is your girl Tashina Beauty. Bye.